A very good morning, my dear students of class 8. I welcome you all to this new class of social science where we are now towards the explanation of the chapter Public Facilities from Civics. Now, children, in the previous classes, the two classes which have been conducted, I have given you the brief introduction of what are public facilities. Then we discussed the introduction of the chapter, and now we will be heading towards the chapter further. Where in the first topic, we discussed that water and the people of Chennai, how different people of Chennai are getting different amount of water. The availability of water, in simple words to understand, is not equal. Now let us see the second topic of the chapter, which is water as a part of the fundamental right to live, to life. Okay, so water is important to live as a healthy life. Of course, we need it for our daily usage. Safe water keeps us fit, keeps us healthy, and prevents from several other diseases. If water is not hygienic, it can cause diseases. We all know that unfit water can cause to so many diseases like cholera, diarrhea, dysentery, etc. Now a survey states that around 1600 Indians die every day due to diseases which are being spread through consuming unhygienic water. Can you imagine? Every day 1600 people are dying. So most of these casualties are under the age of 5, because these young children who are not getting fit water, healthy and fresh water to drink, they are dying. So if people are provided with safe water, we can prevent such casualties in our country. We all should agree to this, children. In the Constitution of India, children, the right to water is a part of right to life under Article 21. So Article 21 says right to life, and this right to life has the subheading of right to water. So this means that every person, whether he or she is rich, whether he or she is poor, should get sufficient water to live his or her daily life and to fulfill the daily needs at the price that he or she can afford. Whatever affordability the person has full right to get basic requirements. So every person must have universal access to water. In the past, children, we have seen several court cases where both Supreme Court and High Court held that right to safe water for drinking is a fundamental right, and this we all are aware of, that this is our right to survive, and we should get safe and fit, consumable, hygienic water to drink. We should get safe water for drinking. Now, the next heading in the chapter is public facilities. Apart from water, there are several other facilities, children, that the government needs to provide to every citizen. Two of these are sanitation and healthcare. Other facilities such as schools, colleges, public transport, electricity are also important. Such facilities are called public facilities. In the very beginning of the explanation of the chapter, I discussed the basic public facilities, and the similar examples were there where basic requirements, for example, health, hygiene, sanitation, public transport like roads, then schools and colleges are considered as public facilities. Such facilities are important, for they benefit a larger section of people in a small area or and in a small time. One school in one area, one recreational park, one hospital, good roads are serving all the people or the citizens who are living in that area. For example, children, if you establish a school in a village, its kid will start studying and they would not have to travel long distances to go and get education. Similarly, if electricity is supplied in an area, it will have multiple benefits, such as students will find it easy to study in the night, and the farmers will be able to use that electricity for irrigating their fields, then using their pump sets, etc. If one facility is given to one area, that area can benefit with number of actions. So that those facilities, if they are given to larger number of people, they are public facilities. Now children, I will stop at this point, and the next heading, which is role of government, I will discuss in the next class. See you all. Take care. Bye bye.